When you buy a special toy, have you ever seen a small book or a paper inside the box that teaches us how the toy works? This paper comes from the person that made the toy. They know the best about the toy because they made it. Our creator is Allah. Therefore, He has also given us a book that teaches us how we need to behave and how we should not behave to make sure we are using our bodies and minds carefully. For example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that eating something that comes from a pig is very bad for us. Therefore, He told us in the Quran that we should not eat things that come from a pig. When we are reading the Quran, it is important to remember that these words are actually the words of Allah. Therefore, we should be respectful and pay attention because we need to know the special instructions Allah has left for us. Allah loves us very much. Therefore, He made it very easy for us to receive rewards from Him. Every time we read the Quran, Allah is giving us rewards. We can read the Quran from memory, or we can read it in Arabic from the Quran's pages. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so kind that He also gives us rewards if we are listening to the Quran or even just looking at it. Therefore, when we are at the mosque or somewhere and the Quran is being recited, to receive as many rewards as possible, we should try our best to remain silent and listen. Besides reading the Quran and listening to it, we should always learn from the Quran. After all, the Quran was sent to us to teach us how to live a good life. One of the main messages in the Quran is that we should be good to our parents, respect them, and show them love all the time. The Quran says, "Do not worship anyone but Allah, and be good to your parents."